هذا الدرس مقدم من طرف قناة Vocably. Hello and welcome everyone. مرحبا بكم. So today we're talking about the future simple. اليوم سنتحدث عن زمن المستقبل باستخدام will. So when do we use the future simple? We use the future simple to talk about actions that will happen at a future time. نستخدم زمن المستقبل لنتكلم عن أحداث ستحدث في المستقبل. هي لم تحدث الآن لكنها ستحدث في المستقبل. يأتي زمن المستقبل على شكل will, which is a modal verb, plus the base verb. سوف نعطي مثالا بالفعل to play يلعب في future simple. So we say I will play soccer. You will play soccer. He or she will play soccer. We will play soccer and they will play soccer. So let's see other examples. فلنرى بعض الأمثلة. Tomorrow I will watch TV. غدا سأشاهد التلفاز. I will go to the supermarket. Next week we will travel by plane. They will buy a new car. He will walk his dog tomorrow. So in the negative form, we add not. So we say, I will not play soccer. Will plus not plus the base verb. And in the interrogative form, we say, will I play soccer? Will plus the subject plus the base verb. So let's do a test. Tomorrow my homework. Will do, very good. We breakfast tomorrow morning. We will prepare breakfast tomorrow morning, very good. I to school next week. I will go to school next week, perfect. We next weekend. We will meet next weekend, excellent. They busy next month. They will be busy next month, perfect. لا تنسوا متابعتنا لمشاهدة مزيد من فيديوهاتنا. Goodbye.